Ascaril D Plus Syrup. Sugar-free is your go-to solution for fast relief from common cold and cough. Imagine waking up with a nagging cough and a stuffy nose. This syrup offers comfort when you need it most. Its targeted formulation works rapidly to alleviate multiple symptoms like runny nose, sneezing, and watery eyes. Picture sipping a soothing syrup that not only numbs the discomfort but also clears the congestion, letting you breathe freely again. With each dose, you can feel the relief washing over you, helping restore normalcy in your day-to-day life. Who wouldn't appreciate a sugar-free option that puts health first? For a whisper of freshness in your recovery journey, consider Ascaril D Plus Syrup. Follow at Pharmacy Learner to stay updated on health tips.